So I pressed E EH and it pressed like QY or something. Somewhere like that. It's like bouncing. They said I can buy another screen, a new screen. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll call my mom when she gets up at 11. She literally wakes up at 11. I like live there. Yeah. Gita said when your tongue sticks out like that you're healing. Just let it be. Don't twist it. It just turns on me. It does. It has a mind of its own. What the fuck am I? ℍ𝕆𝕍, yeah. Come up with that one plenty of times.